Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making tools available. Install the NET SDK and confirm with .NET version so you know the runtime is present. Then install Visual Studio Code, followed by the C# extension for language features and debugging. Once done, open your project folder in VS Code and create a new console app with .NET New Console Oh My App. This immediately scaffolds program. CS and a CSproj, so you can run and iterate fast without guessing any file names. You next configure the workspace. Open the My App folder and trust the authors when VS Code asks, which enables debugging assets. Make sure to restore packages with .NET Restore, then build with .NET Build to catch compile errors early. Once that succeeds, press F5 to run under the debugger, set breakpoints, step through code, and inspect locals to understand flow. This reveals why a variable has a specific value and helps you iterate with targeted fixes rather than blind edits. You finish by validating workflow. Use .NET Run for quick iterations and add .NET Test when you include unit tests. If you need custom command line arguments or environment variables, create a launch. JSON and tasks. JSON so runs are repeatable. If something goes wrong, OmniSharp not initializing, IntelliSense missing, restart the OmniSharp server, confirm your path points to the correct SDK, and verify .NET info shows the expected version. This typically...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.